Baoyu BML 787 direct drive cylinder bag interlock sewing machine with auto trimmer. Integrated design with concise and smooth appearance, compact and natural structure. The lower main shaft is integrated with the direct drive motor, which can effectively avoid the impact brought by the coupling and locate accurately. Dual fan design, lower temperature. Max speed up to 5,000 RPM per minute. Low vibration, quieter, low temperature rising. Vertical electric direct drive presser foot lifting. Super responsive, rapid presser foot lifting. Fixed by 2 separate supports, small vibration and no noise during operation. Adjustable upper trimmer device, convenient angle adjustment, and accurate trimming. Thread hooking, trimming, and clamping are completed in an instant. The wiper device realizes no stitch skipping, no off thread, and more beautiful thread end. The knife blade, back and forth shaft is chrome plating processed, rust-proof and wear-resistant. The slider is black coating processed, more durable. The ceramic thread passing structure makes the sewing process smoother and improves the sewing quality. The needle bar and lower crochet needle are coated with high-strength nano layer. Front-loading bottom thread separating plate. Bottom thread take-up put on the front of body to clean the winning and adjustment easily. The fine-tuning bottom thread take-up eyelet holder to offer the bottom thread tension and release more precise adjustment. Stable and accurate trimmer, the thread cutting mechanism is improved. And the extra limit mechanism of knife returned to avoid return loosening. Perfect cooperation between knife and parts. No jamming point. Trimming is smooth, precise, and stable. Stitch length adjustment knob structure. Easy adjustment. The presser foot can be lifted from 6 to 8 mm for various thick materials fitting easily and freely. Special short recessed cylinder bed design. Only 48 mm from the cylinder edge to the presser foot edge, making the operation more smooth. The circumference of cylinder is only 260 mm, more suitable for small sewing operations such as t-shirt cuffs and children's clothing cuffs. The machine body adopts independent design, processing, and painting, which makes the whole process control of quality more assured. As a basic model, the guider can be added to realize the expansion of multifunctional application. Bottom hemming, sewing. Horn close guider makes the cover sewing more stable. The new bottom threading method effectively avoids the influence of the thread waste on the trimming mechanism.